Monday, and it's time to talk technology. We kick things off with Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group here on Power Talk. Hello, Luis.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
Doing great. I've got a great story here that you sent me. I'm really fascinated by this. It has to do with CHOMP Community Hospital in the Monterey Peninsula, and they're bringing robots on board to assist with non-patient tasks. So what exactly are the robots going to be roaming the halls doing at CHOMP?
Well, so they bought these two robots. They call them Moxie, which is, I think, a cute name for a robot. And they're about 4.5 feet tall, but they roam the hospital and transfer things to nursing stations. So that leaves nurses to do more with patients and not have to run around and transport paperwork or maybe additional medical supplies from one place in the hospital to another. And they're smart enough that they mapped out the entire hospital so that they can take the elevator, for example, to different floors, find different rooms, not bump into people and avoid getting bumped into. So it really kind of demonstrates the direction that we're going with automation in healthcare. And it's real here on our little Monterey Peninsula. And I suspect that we're going to see more and more of this kind of technology, not just in hospitals, but in a lot of places like warehouses, or even think of like the Walmarts and the Costcos of the world, where there's these repetitive tasks where you have to take products from one end of the building to the other. And robots can do that much more efficiently than human beings. And by the way, they can work 7x24.
That's right.
Which human beings are not known for.
No, they don't have a union for robots. So are these Are these things using AI, and how much do they cost?
So that's a great question. I don't think they talked about the cost of these things. They're on a lease. They have two of them, like I said, and they have the option to get a third one under the lease. But they do have a lot of AI features built into them. They can learn as they go, so that if, for example, if something moves in an area where they now are being blocked by something and they can't get past it, they can go around it, those sorts of things. And they can be trained as well. So we'll see how well they do in this environment. But I think it's kind of a move in the right direction to help alleviate some of the labor shortages that we have.
All right. That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com. @AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.